perception is conventionally understood through 5 distinct senses: sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell. This categorization simplifies how organisms interact with their environment. These 5 senses represent only the surface-level phenomena of perception. A deeper understanding reveals a more complex interplay of sensory inputs. Modern scientific understanding redefines our perception of individual senses. What were once distinct senses are now viewed as intricate clusters of interconnected sensory inputs. This indicates that a single perceived experience is rarely isolated to one sensory pathway. Instead, multiple sensory inputs contribute to a holistic perception. The human brain continuously processes and interprets incoming sensory data. This active process involves constructing a coherent and understandable version of reality. It filters an immense amount of information from our environment. Our conscious perception is a highly curated representation, not a direct reflection of all stimuli. This mechanism ensures a functional, though selective, understanding of the world. The traditional concept of humans possessing only 5 senses is a significant underestimation. Human perceptual capabilities extend far beyond sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell. Research indicates a much larger array of sensory modalities, potentially exceeding 30. These diverse senses contribute to a richer and more complex understanding of the world. Reality is fundamentally multisensory, meaning no single experience relies solely on one sense. Our perception of the world is an integrated experience, combining input from various sensory channels. For example, the sensation of taste is not merely the detection of chemicals by the tongue. It is a complex integration involving smell, texture, and even auditory cues. Memory also plays a crucial role, shaping our interpretation of sensory information into a unified experience. Touch is not a singular sensation, but rather a composite experience. It integrates distinct sensory inputs from various receptors in the skin. These inputs include pressure, providing information about contact and force. Other crucial inputs are vibration, temperature, and tension. Therefore, a simple tactile experience results from a complex interplay of multiple sensory receptors. Beyond external perceptions, the human body possesses a sophisticated system of inner senses. The brain constantly monitors and processes signals originating from internal organs. This internal monitoring detects biological functions and various fluid flows within the body. It also tracks the activity of countless individual cells, ensuring internal homeostasis. Inner perceptions involve the body's continuous monitoring of its physiological state. These perceptions include the awareness of one's heartbeat, a fundamental bodily rhythm. The sensation of hunger, signaling the body's need for sustenance, is another key perception. The experience of pain, acting as a protective mechanism, is also an inner perception. Detection of internal body temperature helps maintain homeostasis within the organism. These are not isolated events, but a continuous, cumulative feeling of the inner physiological state. The human body possesses untaught senses that operate without conscious command. Proprioception is one such sense, defining the relative position of one's body parts. This allows individuals to perceive limb placement even without visual input. It is a fundamental aspect of motor control and spatial awareness. The vestibular system is a crucial, often overlooked, sensory system within the human body. It provides the brain with vital information regarding balance and spatial orientation. This system enables the body to detect disruptions to its equilibrium. It facilitates rapid, unconscious adjustments to prevent falls. This function is critical for maintaining stability, even in complex and dynamic environments.